be. And you and immigrants, those women,
thank you,
those queers, pick your scapegoat. But all of those people are not the enemy, and the only minority to fear are those eliminating jobs and hoarding wealth. Abiding, inspirational leader. And not just once, but twice. I thought our country had learned its lesson, and yet here we are.
Democracy looks like.
This is what democracy looks like.
I have to stop myself from singing along.
Corrupt, bully, serial adulterer, and so many more.
Spaces that do not